Number 1. WowWee MiP robot. It stands on two wheels and uses sensor to balance and move. MiP can be controlled through a gesture or a smartphone app. It can dance, carry objects, and perform tricks. MiP promotes creativity and problem-solving skill, allowing users to program their own action. With its entertaining features and educational value, WowWee MiP is a popular choice for robots enthusiasts and toy lovers. Number 2. Parrot Rolling Spider robot. This little marvel defies gravity with its unique design. With the ability to roll along walls and ceiling, the rolling spider takes your drone's experience to another level. Its ultra-compact and lightweight frame houses powerful motor and intuitive controls, ensuring a seamless flying experience. Equipped with a built-in camera, the rolling spider allows you to capture incredible photos and videos from previous unreachable angles. Imagine navigating tight space, exploring corners, and capturing footage that is sure to amaze your friends and family. The Rolling Spider is a true testament to innovation and ingenuity in the world of robotics and drones. Number 3. Sphero. This versatile robot ball is not just an ordinary toy. It's a programmable wonder. Sparrow allows you to tap into your creativity and explore the limitless possibilities of coding and robotics. With its durable and waterproof design, Sparrow can roll on any terrain, whether it's in your backyard or the living room. It's the perfect companion for outdoor adventure or indoor coding challenges. Through Sparrow's user-friendly app, you can code its movement, create game, and even solve puzzles. The possibilities are endless. Number 4. Sony Rolley. Prepare to be mesmerized by the Sony Rolley in motion. This egg-shaped robot combines music and dance in a unique and captivating way. With built-in speakers and vibrant LED lights, Rolley turns any room into a dance floor. Connect Rolley to your smartphone or computer and let the music take control. Rolley's dance moves are synchronized perfectly with the rhythm of the music, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. You can even customize Rolley's dance rotation to match your favorite song. Its small size and portable design make it easy to take Rolley with you and spread the joy of music and dance wherever you go. Get ready to experience a whole new level of entertainment with the Sony Rolley in motion. Number 5. Parrot MiniDrones. Last but not the least, we have the Parrot MiniDrones. These compact flying robots are packed with incredible features, allowing you to embark on thrilling airborne adventure, whether you're an indoor explorer or an outdoor enthusiast. There's a mini drones for every adventure seekers. The mini drones come in various models, each with its unique set of capabilities. From the agile and aromatic Mambo to the camera-equipped Bebo, these drones offers an impressive and exhilarating flying experience. With the intuitive control through your smartphone or tablet, you can pilot your mini drones with ease. Perform flips, roll, and daring aerial maneuvers that will leave you breathless. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. And as always, stay tuned for more.